Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to show you how you can disable USB device or any of the removable device on your computer through group policy. So I will show you step by step how you can do that. But before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the new videos notification. So I will show you now how you can do that. You need to go to the run menu and type here gpedit, hit enter. The local group policy window will be opened here. So you need to go to the administrator template. Just you need to expand this administrative template and go to the system, expand this also, and let me expand this, and then you need to scroll down it and select removal storage access. Here you will see the option like all removable storage classes deny all access. So once you will enable this, just you need to double click on this, and you can see here the option is not configured, enabled and disabled. So to disable the any of the USB device or any of the removable device on your computer, just you need to select this enabled. Here you can see, like, if you enable this policy setting, no access is allowed to any removable storage class. Yes, so once you will enable this, none of the USB device or removable device will be detected or will open on your computer. It will be blocked. Just you need to apply, click OK, and then if you want, you can check by insert the any of the device like USB pen drive, USB hard disk. Before test it, you can restart your system, you can reboot your system, and then you can check, and your computer will not detect any of the USB device or removable device. Means any of the device that will be storage device will be blocked on your computer. So guys, in this way you can disable any of the USB device or storage device on your computer through local group policy. If your system will be in domain, then you can apply that group policy, the same group policy from the domain controller GPO, domain controller group policy. But yes, if you have a only local computer that is in work group, or that is a standalone system, then you can follow the same process and disable any of the in any of the USB device or removable device on your computer in the same way. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I will request you to please subscribe my channel and like this video and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.